Well, yesterday it felt like spring. It was 68 degrees, sunny.
Millions of people along the storm's path from the west coast to the Midwest will experience significant weather impacts through Thursday. Forecasters are warning of heavy snow and blizzards associated with the next storm system. The storm will continue to move inland from the west coast across the Rocky Mountains and into the Great Plains, deepening as snowfall increases along its path. Across the Midwest, from Kansas to Nebraska, Iowa to Minnesota and Wisconsin, heavy snow and blizzard conditions are likely to cause significant travel disruptions. Several videos circulating on social media show areas already experiencing severe weather since Thursday.
Well, yesterday it felt like spring. It was 68 degrees, sunny. Today school's canceled and we're in a blizzard warning right now.
Well, here we are at our blizzard. This is what it looks like.
On Wednesday, snowfall will increase from northern Kansas across eastern Nebraska to southern Minnesota and northern Wisconsin. Strong winds to severe snowstorms are reported to bring blizzards to some in the region. The hardest hit areas include Kansas, Nebraska and Iowa, where visibility could be severely limited and conditions could be extremely hazardous on the roads with up to a foot of fresh snow.
Peace, love, and crystals.
Well, here we are at our blizzard. This is what it looks like.
In case anyone wanted to know what weather is like in the Midwest, this is what it's like. It was 66 degrees yesterday. 66 fucking degrees. Now it's this shit. Very